We have a Samsung fridge. I'll show you the model and serial number first. This is the model and serial number. And these are the shelves.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, thank you. It was nice seeing you. Thank you. So the customer's complaint is that she doesn't know how to remove this and clean it. She also knows how to remove it, but she doesn't know how to remove this glass and clean it. So I'm going to remove this and show you it's very quick and easy. So when you pull this out, it's always going to hook on these side doors, which is going to make it almost impossible to remove. But what you can do is you can always, you see the doors opening, you push it a little bit hard that way, and the same thing on this side. Push it hard, ask one of your family members to hold it a little bit tight towards the outside and pull this out. So I'm gonna kind of use my elbow to do that side, and then on this side I'm also gonna use my elbow, and that way I can pull it out. See, I use my elbow here, and then this comes out. And now I'm gonna put this here on the table. In order to remove this glass, there's a plastic tab here, there's a plastic tab here, and I'm gonna show you the back of it before I tell you what needs to be done here. So turn it around. This is the back of those plastic tabs. Back of the plastic tab, what you can do is you can put a 2x4 or something to protect the glass from the bottom. Just leave it here like that. So now you see this side is up, and you have to use a flat screwdriver. Just gonna grab a flat screwdriver, push on it just like that. We may want to put something hard in here. This one. So now I can push this. See, the plastic tab fell down. This is the way the plastic tab looks. And I'm gonna turn it around now. Thank you. So the plastic tab is not there anymore. You can do that, or you can stick your flat screwdriver at the bottom like that and turn it around. It pops it off. See, it goes in one way only. Once you remove these two plastic tabs, it does not matter which one goes where. They're both exact same. They can go there. Once you clean your glass, you can put it like this and push on these tiny tabs. It sets back again. So the reason they have this, to hold the glass in place. Here it comes off, and then after that you can put your hand from the bottom, push the glass out here, and it comes off from here. You see this?
Yeah.
Once you lift the glass up a little bit, pull on it. Here it comes off. You can clean your glass. After you clean the glass, put it back in. Once you have a clean glass, when you put it back in, remember, the glass goes at the bottom of this plastic tab here in the front here. So you kind of have to hold it like this, push it, it sits down, and then you put your glass back in, put your tabs. It's gonna fix the problem. Okay, remove the glass again, please. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, so here, now you know how to do this, right?
Yes.
Awesome. So you know how to put these tabs back in?
Yes.
You also know how to put this back in?
Yes, I saw you.
Okay, okay, perfect. So here you go. You can do your cleanup. Just be very careful. The glass may fall down from your hand if it's wet.
Yeah.
Wash it in the sink there, and then let it sit, let it dry out. Once it's dried, you can bring it back in and reinstall it. Okay?
Yeah.
And I will also look for these shelves that's broken. And if the customer has to order these, sometime you have to pay closer to $100 Canadian for these.
The same too. This one with the same, the glass?
No, this one is a little bit hard. I don't think you can remove the glass on this one. You cannot
That's
remove
okay,
the
but
glass.
you can wash it.
Yeah.
You can. Okay.
And you can also clean these areas here and the back maybe.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
It's